And if you're wondering, Doja Cat has just come in at #1 on Triple J's Hottest 100 with her song Paint the Town Red. G Flip claimed second place with the song The Worst Person Alive. Now to the weather. And overnight minimum temperatures were generally below average and mostly ranged between 7 and 12 degrees. The coldest was 1 degree at Mount Hotham and Mount Baw Baw. It was a mostly clear morning across the state. Cloud built during the day in the southwest and central district, remaining mostly clear in the north and southeast. Maximum temperatures were generally below average and mostly range from 21 to 25 degrees. The state's top of 29 degrees was recorded in Walpiop and Albury-Wodonga. In Melbourne, the temperature reached a high of 24.7 degrees at 3:30. The high in Geelong was 25. Interstate today was partly cloudy in Hobart, Sydney and Brisbane, mostly sunny in Adelaide, wet in Darwin and sunny in Perth. The satellite image shows cloud over much of northern Australia with embedded squalls in the top end. A thick band of cloud positioned in central Queensland extends down into New South Wales. There's some low-level cloud along coastal parts of New South Wales, Victoria, southeastern SA and southeastern Western Australia. A ridge of high pressure lies over Victoria until Monday, when an inland trough extends over the north and another weak trough moves across southern districts. On Tuesday, the next ridge will build over the state and will remain in place until the weekend. Troughs and lows will generate rain, showers and storms over parts of WA's north, the NT, Queensland and New South Wales's northeast. Onshore flow should bring a few showers to New South Wales's east and southeast WA. For the capital cities tomorrow, mostly sunny in Perth and Adelaide, partly cloudy in Hobart, a shower or two in Sydney, possible storms for Brisbane and Darwin. Back home, dry and mild to warm and mostly sunny in the north, 32 in Mildura, 28 in Bendigo, but expect some isolated morning showers along the coast. Those showers should clear by the evening, 29 for Lake Eildon, 23 degrees in Wonthaggi, so pretty pleasant conditions for most of the state unless the wind picks up too much on the coastline. Speaking of the wind, on the bay, westerly winds 10 to 15 knots turning south to southwesterly, below 10 knots in the middle of the day, then becoming south to southeasterly in the early afternoon, waves around 1 metre. A strong wind warning for central Gippsland coast and east Gippsland coast. For Melbourne tomorrow, a partly cloudy morning, clearing to a mostly sunny afternoon, heading for a high of 24 after a low of 16. Good conditions for the tennis. Looking ahead, Monday in Melbourne, sunny and 28. Tuesday, cloudy and 23. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, partly cloudy, 22, 24 and 22. Saturday, sunny and 30 degrees. And that's it for this evening's bulletin. Thanks for your company. Have a wonderful night. Stay safe. Go well. Good night.